All of us as managers have to achieve results through the team that we manage in the most efficient and effective way. Here's a 5-step process to help you implement your plans with your team to get the best results. The first step is set and agree objectives. By this we mean, what is it that is to be done, over what time frame, to what success criteria, and how will we know if we've achieved what we've set out to achieve. We need to be very, very clear on the objectives, and those objectives need to be communicated not only to the whole team, but to individual team members, so that everybody has the same understanding of the overall goal of the team. The second step is plan the effective use of resources. Resources can be, obviously, time, but they can be material resources. They can include machinery and equipment. It could also include authority, how people are going to use their delegated authority. Premises is a resource. Finance, budgets are resources. How are we going to deploy our resources in the most efficient way to deliver the objectives? There needs to be a plan A and also a plan B if plan A doesn't look like it's going to work. And that plan needs to be communicated and needs to be sold to the team members so that there is real buy-in and commitment to what needs to be done to achieve the overall objectives. The next step is to put in place what we would call controls. In other words, what control mechanisms do you as a manager need to have in place that will warn you of impending failure and will tell you that you are on track for success? So these may be meetings, these may be reports that you get from team members, these may be statistics, these may be management accounts. A whole range of methodologies are available for you to know what it is that you need to see happening to make sure that you succeed. It's best to have 5 or 6 key control mechanisms rather than too many, so you can get the picture very quickly and easily, spot problems and act on them. The next step is implementation. Once you've got the first 3 pieces in place, you're then safe to implement, coordinate the effort, keep people focused on the objective, play people to their strengths, ensure there's a high team morale, and leadership skills kick in at this point, perhaps rather than the management skills. So implementation is really important to be done in accordance with the plan, and obviously your control mechanisms will warn you if that implementation effort is going according to plan or not. Finally, the last step is assess and evaluate results. What are the results that you've achieved? Are they going to deliver the objective? How efficient are you being with the use of your resources? What changes do you need to make to the plan to achieve the objectives? And how can you involve people, perhaps in some creative problem solving, to bring the whole team effort back on track? So, in summary, the 5 steps are: set and agree objectives, plan the effective use of resources, put in control mechanisms, implement your plans, and assess and evaluate results. Using this 5-step process in that order on a day-to-day basis, you are more assured of success than if you ignore the process or you skip around the process in a random way.